Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So children, as you know that we are doing the concept of colors, and for this week we have yellow color. Okay, so I have sent you this worksheet. First we'll write our name and class section, and the activity for today is bud printing using yellow wet paint. And for this we need yellow paint, some earbuds. But before starting with the printing, we'll do the coloring bit. For this we need oil pastels, brown and green. We'll do the brown color in the internal part and the stem and leaf with the green oil pastel. Okay. Take the yellow wet paint in a plate and dip the cotton bud, one end of the cotton bud in it, and start with the printing. Now the printing has to be done from the edges. पेटल की एज पर आप प्रिंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे और फिर आप अंदर की तरफ उसमें प्रिंट करेंगे. ओके, पहले आप एजेस करेंगे पेटल की, उसके बाद आप अंदर करेंगे. And you will take care that you don't overlap the print and you don't spill the color also. Once all the petals are done, you will get a beautiful bud printed flower, sunflower.